Hello, my friends. Hi, and welcome to another tutorial. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit more minutes. Okay. Okay, so I think I am ready to go. I just I was getting some water. So I think I'm gonna start right now. So today my tutorial will be a let me see what is my image reference. Okay. So this is a 3D that I saw on Pinterest. I'm not gonna put it on the screen for respect to the artist, but I'm gonna try to do something similar. At the end, you will see it. But um, basically, it's just a simple robot. We're gonna make it from scratch, but just very basic shapes. Nothing too deep, nothing too special. Um, Let me see. Give me 1 second. So I just want to make sure that everything is going well. Okay, so I think we're fine. Okay, so okay. Hi, Hamza Cam. Can you do another live stream or tutorial where you teach how to model Disney characters in May and rig it, then animate it? Oh wow! By the way, I really like your tutorials. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. I mean, like right now, I don't think so, but we're gonna do pretty much a character. So a rebel at the end is it could be a character. Disney characters. I am not sure if I can do that. Since it's Disney property, and I want to be really careful. But we can do that like the same with different. We can create our own characters actually. So yeah, that's something we could do. We could do it like first the modeling, then another video or streaming for to rig it, and then we can try to animate it. Because everything at the same time could be probably too long. So, but yeah, we can do that. We can do it at and okay, Disney or Pixar like character. I mean, stylized character. Yeah. I can try. I can try. I mean, right now I have already set up something, but I can think about it and in the future. Try to do something, or it could be also just a recorded tutorial. Um, I think that's better because maybe I can save time. So okay, here we go. And thank you for coming. Remember, you can check my um, Patreon channel, and you can also subscribe and like and share. Please help me to make this channel bigger, and I mean, helping me that way, I'm gonna be able to be more time in here. Trying to help you and teach you not soft, no things. Okay, so here we go. Um, Let me put this down. I don't need it right now. So, okay, so create a cube. And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. I think this is fine. So, okay. I don't have a, I mean, even though when I say I have a reference image, I don't really have it in here. I just have a 3D model or 3D, I mean, a sketch or something. Sometimes I use artificial intelligence, and well, but like we can set up reference image here as well. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, so let's go to modeling toolkit and let's do a better. Like this is fine. I think this is good. Okay, go to the front view and let's make this a little bit. Okay, something that I really want to do is create another cube. It's create let's say something from scratch, but as well teach you everything step by step, like how to move one screen to other and all that. So a lot of people don't actually know how to move in the software. So let me know if you would like to do that. um okay, so in here I need to delete all this. And okay, so this is the front. Let me, I'm not sure if in the image it has something in the bottom, like here maybe. So if I make it, let me see, it will be something like this. Okay, so right now, okay, so let me activate my geometry. So then go to edit mesh, insert edge loop tool. So reset the tool, and then third option, multiple edge loops. And I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, let me do, nah, I think it's too much. 5. Yeah, I think that's this one, and this one. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so let's go to, wait, I pressed something wrong, sorry. Let me go to my front view. I don't need this right now. And okay, I think this is good. No, I don't know better this way. Okay. Okay, so I think this is good. I wanna change this one and this one. Let me see, like this. Also different than this one. Okay, I think this is good. Yep. So okay, so let's do an extrude. I think this is good. You know what? Wait a second. Let me just put it a bit closer here. Okay, and this ones. Let me see. Let's try. No, I don't like it this way. Just, I think this is fine, but yeah, it's okay. So let's do an extrude. Okay, it's fine. Maybe not so much, I guess. Okay. So now we're gonna add some, select first, and then let's go to multicut. Here we need one here and here and here and here. But very important right here. So let's go to 3. Let's go to 1 again. I forgot this one. Okay, this side is good. But if you see, we need some edge right here as well. Okay, 3. Let me see. Okay, what about if I move the geometry? Okay, I think this is fine. So we could make a hole here, but that was before. Now it's more complicated, but okay. I think I can do what I need without making the hole. So okay. I don't need that right now. So select the faces. Um, we don't need it. We're not gonna see that. So let's delete it. But we do need this size. This side, sorry. The way I select like this, I just hold tab and left click and drag and extrude, offset, and extrude again, or G to repeat last command, right? Okay. And then let's go to edge, select this edge right here, and bevel. What am I gonna add? No, I like it this way. This is like the mouth, right? Okay, so like this. I need to put it a little closer. Okay. And I want it bigger. Yeah, I think this is good. But I want to add an extra detail. So let's go to face, tab, holding tab, left and drag, and extrude, offset, extrude again. And let's go deep, a little bit deeper. Go to edge and bevel. But I don't want it. I like this way. Yep, this is fine. It looks nicer, right? So Control D and then rotate, holding J. Let's go this way. Thing like here. If you want something more exactly, you can use a duplicate special. Okay. So we already have I think this is the head. We still need to do the eye and all that, but I'm gonna leave it to the end. So then let's create another cylinder. Okay. Go to face, select, and unselect these ones, and the ones in the bottom and top, delete. We don't need it. Let's go to edit. I'm sorry, mesh tool, insert edge loop tool. In the options, reset one more time, and the option. And I'm gonna make like let's say 8. Let's see. Yeah, this is fine. So reset, close, and then select faces. Let's go here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then extrude inside. Let's put some extra divisions. I think this is fine. Let me see. I like it. Okay. Okay. But here, before we can cut a multi-cut and add one on the top, one in the bottom, and select those faces. Okay, let's go back to number one, and then extrude like this. But yep, we have some faces here. Let's add some divisions. Wait, no, I don't want to. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So let's select these faces. Sometimes there are like fastest way to do it, but I'm already here and this is the way I do it and it's fine. Okay, so I think we're good right here. Okay, so then create a cube. Okay, and this is good. So let's go to the side view right here. Okay, and let's put this one up. But okay, is something like this. Okay, so now let's press a let me do it. Okay, better. Let's do a bevel. Oh, no, 1 second. Okay. So select the face in front. Let's make an extrude, but offset. I think this is good. So another extrude. Let's go. Okay. I want it a little bit more. Let me see. Let me close here. Let me get multi-cut. What's the difference between this one and the other one? The other one is gonna set the edge right in the middle, so you see the geometry is almost perfect. But if I do it with a multi-cut, yeah, you see it's anywhere. But right now that's what I need because I need it in a specific area. So let me see now. Okay, I think this is better. But let's go one. I don't love the geometry here. Mm, let me see if it affects me. It doesn't look good. So another way to do it, you know what? Let me go back. Let's because I like it this way as well, but I don't want to have too much geometry. So I don't want this here either. So let me go get these ones. Double click. Okay. And this one too. And this one's too. Let's repair this. And delete edge. Okay, so I don't want it right now. Let me get this And let's do it maybe smaller. Yeah, I like it more like this. Mm, let me see. Yep. Better. And I like this right here. If you don't want it, you can still if you don't like it this way, you can add an extra segment. So it's gonna pretty much look like this. Like you see, it's like a bit smooth. But for me, I don't mind. It's okay, and it match with the head, right? So for me, it's fine. I like it. So something I'm gonna do here is let me see. We'll create another cube, right? And let's simulate this shape right here. Maybe a bit bigger. It's fine. Okay. So then go to face, delete this, go to vertex, and like this. Center you pivot, and it will be something like this. But not yet. First, go to mesh tool, insert edge loop tool, and the multiple edge loops. Let's make it. Let's see 20. Let's see. So go to the front view and select the faces. Okay, and extrude. Okay, I think this is good. So, but we don't need these faces. You know what? Wait, let me add some divisions. Let me see. Okay, delete it. So it's gonna be something like this. Okay, let's go here. So number 4 for a wireframe, and okay, like this. I think this is good. Now a little bit more. Yeah, I think it's fine. What do you think? Let me see where my comments. Um, thank you. Okay, mi tecnicurso. Hi. Not right now, I know, but you have to set up for robot. If you create a tutorial, then please make it real time as we're okay. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna plan in the future. Hi everybody. Okay. Plain Rider and Prince Eric. Oh my god. Okay, that's a challenge. Fine. So okay, let's go back to our robot. So what do you think? Do you think it's good, right? Till now. So we're gonna start with the arm or legs. I think we're gonna do legs first. So let's do a cylinder. Okay. And okay. I think this is good. For our cylinder, will be like here. Something that I'm pretty sure that robot doesn't have is There's like a little hole here, but I can see, the render that I have is from view only, so I can see it, but maybe we don't need it. But it could be, I could, I don't know. Let me try. We need the wireframe right now. Okay, I think this is good. So let's go to face, but okay, let me see. Yeah, I think it's better. I don't know. But before that, we need to make another something like over here and here. So let me see if I can make sure that the proportion is fine. Yep. Okay. So extrude and delete because oh, I got this one. Okay, at least I know time. Okay, so now let's make sure that we don't have another one and extrude again and delete. So let's go to this edge. This one too. And bevel. Wait, what happened here? Oh my god. Giving me problems. You know what? I'll figure it out later. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna focus on that right now. Let's finish the legs. Okay. Is like it looks like a nice and tiny robot, right? It looks like two wheels. I like it, but it's not like this. It's not supposed to be like this. We still have to do the legs, but it looks. I like it. So we could leave it like this. I'm kidding. Just let's finish it. So create another cylinder, number 4, and wait, what is this here? Okay, I was like, what was that? Okay. So remember, delete the faces on top, bottom. We don't need it. Or we do need it. No, we don't need it in the bottom. You know what? I'm not gonna delete the ones in the bottom because I am not sure yet. But in the top, For sure I don't need it. Delete. Okay, fine. So in the legs, I am not sure 100% how is it, because I can see it from here. What I say, this is the front view of the robot, but I'm gonna try. Let me see. How is this? Mm, okay. I can see the back of the leg, so I don't know how it's gonna look here, but I just gonna use my imagination. So let's see what happens. You know, if it doesn't look good, I'll make it again. You know, I don't care. Okay, it will be something like this, I think. And but this is more big. Okay, I thought legs were longer. Hmm. Okay, so let's go to. Let me see how I make that. You know, I had to create a whole thing here because I can see it. We don't need the faces in the bottom, that's for sure. Delete. And then this vertex only in the front is something like this. Okay. And I think they are like here. I don't need this right now. So, but this one's a little bit more to the back. Let me see. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay. So in number three, it will be like this. It's pretty similar. But I know what else. Let me go to the front and get this here. Oh, okay, yeah. Yep. Okay, yes, nice. But we need to do something here. This, it cannot stay like this. Let me, okay. Let me see. Let me compare like, okay, so it's bigger. Not so big, but it's bigger. Yep, like this. So let's do something to make it a little bit different. Let's change this. And let me go here and try to do something. Delete 3. Okay. Okay, I was pressing the wrong one. Okay, now. So extrude inside. No, wait. Sorry. Let's do it this way. And then another extrude. Let's see. Okay. So let's go to one. And let's take this edge and make it bevel. Yeah, make it bevel. Okay. Okay, so let's do let's go to number one again and get this edge, and let's make an extrude the other side. So let me see the shoe. Let's try to make it it will be like here, but okay, let me see, like here, vertex, but it has something. Let me try to make it here. Okay. Not sure about. Okay, so we had to make this fit in here. Let me see. I mean, I like the shape, but what we can do is this is the fun part of like when you create a 3D design, you actually you don't you have to figure it out, you know. It's not like I have already in my mind how I'm gonna do it, you know. I have to sometimes like just think which way is the best. Okay, but I don't love these ones. Let's see. Okay, so we need, yep. Yeah, but you cannot pass this. So I think like until here. Let me see how it looks with this one. Okay, yeah, it's not looking. But this one also it's not supposed to be. No, it has to be the whole thing. So okay. But if I do that, I don't love this shape here. So let me see. Okay, let me see. Well, let's create a bevel here. And need to do something. Then I have an idea for this. Let me see. Let's go back and let me make an extrude. Okay, so now that's a good thing about robots. Doesn't have to be smooth. So let me change this because I don't love it and I need to love it. But there is a problem right here. Okay. Oh yeah, it's not. I don't want to do that anyway. Better leave it like that. Okay, that's fine. So I just create another cube. It's supposed to be. Oh, okay. So we need to. We have to make it fit. So for this one, we need a edge right here. I don't know why it's like this, but it's something like that. Okay. For this, I'm going to I want it all. It's a weird fit, but um, I can see the back. I can see the back, and so I don't know how it's actually in the back right here. So I'm just trying to, but use my imagination. But in the front, it's pretty much like this. Anyways, if you can find it and compare. So let's get these faces right here, and let's make an extrude. Okay, and then let's add some divisions. Okay, so okay, we got this. So select your leg, and then go to display, um I'm sorry, Windows, Aligner, and Control G. So this one we're gonna name it MSH, like match, and space leg one, correct? So I'm gonna center my pivot W and go to my front view. Okay, Control D, and let's duplicate it. Oops, so we have a problem here. So you see the legs are touching, correct? So something that I can do is, let's delete this one because, okay, so select this one and let's get the bottom right here. So maybe this can work. I don't know if it's not supposed to be touching anymore, but let's see. So let me do something. Um, okay, duplicate special. And yep, it is not touching anymore. Okay, I think we're good. Skinny legs, but anyways, it's a strong robot. So I'm gonna close this. I'm not gonna organize the. I never do that on live, organizing the outliner. So let's create the. Well, on live is necessary. Create a cylinder. Rotate. Okay. Let's delete the faces inside right here. Okay. Okay. So I think this is good. So it doesn't look like a small and short robot anymore, right? You know what? Before I want to do something, I have something in my mind, and before I forget it, let me do it now. Okay. So I'll change. Let's go F here. Sorry. Okay. So I think this is okay. Let's do the other one. We could just delete it and then make another duplicate spatial. But what I say, like, it could be faster, but I'm already here and I'm not going back all that again. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. So let's do a face tab and then okay, extrude again or G. All right. And I want to like pretty much over here another extrude. I think this is good. Another extrude and now inside. Okay, so let's get the edge. Yeah, in this one just the faces. Bevel, I think this is fine. Then edge here and then here and bevel. Okay, let me see. Yeah, we need to do something here. Bevel. No, I'm gonna add another edge here. How? Extrude and then offset, and it's supposed to be okay. Yep, now it's good. So I need, I think this little thing, I needed Control D and here. Okay, yep, this is good. And I'm gonna do something. Let's go to, let's add a mesh, insert edge loop tool, and let's add two edge in the cylinder. Go to faces, select them, and then another extrude. Um, here and let's add some divisions. Okay, so yeah, it look more like a machine. And okay, so the arm is pretty much similar with the legs, but in this case I can see both sides because well, it has two arms and because of the perspective, so I think it's gonna be faster and easier than the legs. Okay, so okay, let's go to the side view, and it has a weird shape right here. Let me see if I can do it. But it is like over here. I think this is fine. Yeah, it's something like that. Is it that long? Oh yeah. Okay. So let me add some. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop tool again, and let's add some edge right here and get the vertex. Oh, sorry, right here. Okay, maybe here. All right. So it is something like this. You know what? I need to. Let me see first this view. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let's add edge over here and then another one here, here, and here. And number 3. Okay. Yeah, it's something like this, but let's get this face. You know what? I'm gonna do it with 6. No, wait, it's too many. I shouldn't add this. Not yet. But anyways. Let me get this edge. Okay. Okay, so I need to fix some things right here. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so extrude again, and I'm gonna delete this one and get these faces on top, bevel, and I don't remember if in the legs we add segments. I think so. So let's put it here. But let me. Okay. If it's here, it's because it's taking another vertex. So make sure that you know which one you taking. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. Oh yeah, it looked better. But like here, and then in here. Okay, so I think this is good. And then let's rotate it just a little bit. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do, I mean, we're almost done, right? This, and the eye, right? Correct? Okay. So let's finish um this. This is faster right here. Okay, so um, let's press F so we are closer. And then let's duplicate this, Control D, face, delete the face in the top, and 3, right? But we need to add a, okay. I'm just gonna do 2 of this. So another edge, select the faces, extrude, and thickness. Add some divisions. I'm gonna add, I think that's okay. And another one here. So 3. Then in here, select the face, delete. It's got a multicut right here, and number 3. But we need to okay, sorry. I think it is too small. I am not sure. Yeah, it is a little bit small. I think this is like this. But we need to face extrude, offset, extrude again, and then inside. I think you can delete this. Remember, select the faces, make a bevel, and no, don't do that. Just go back and let's add another type of geometry, number 3. Okay. Oh god, I need geometry here. Let me see. And here as I'm sorry, here as well. Okay. So I think, yeah, I think this is fine. And let's make this okay. So just give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, I'm back. It was a little bit noisy up there. Just I couldn't hear. Okay. Then Control G. Okay. Center pivot. Let's make this. Let me see. So the front view, it looks like a weird hand. I love it. If it's weird, I like it. But okay. I'm gonna select my whole group. So Because if you do it this way, like let's say you get it by single finger, right? And then so you see, but if you get the whole group, okay. Okay, so we're gonna put this one here, and then Shift D and Shift D. Okay, so we got them all at the same distance. Okay, I think this is fine. And we need an extra finger. Let me get this whole group. Okay, we need an extra finger. Control D. And we're gonna put this one. Okay, something like this. And it's supposed to be somewhere over here. Maybe right here. Not sure yet. But like over here. It looks like a finger, right? Oh my god, I think it's far away from the rest of the fingers. Okay. Wait, you don't call this finger in English, right? Okay, but I'm gonna do something else. I didn't have an idea. Okay, so mm, mm, we could do bend, but I don't know. I just don't want to go over there. Like, I think we're fine here, and I can do it manually. Okay. Yeah, I think it looked better. It's a weird hand, but it has 5 fingers. Um, so what I'm gonna do is get my group. I'm gonna select this, Control G, and this one's I'm gonna drag it inside with scroll. Okay, so I got it here, and I'm gonna name it image R01. Okay, and then go to um, uh, duplicate special right here. Okay, so we got a robot, yay! So let's close this for a little bit, and we are almost done. Whatever you do after is extra. So we are gonna select the face here, delete, and let's go to our front view, and let's put it here. I think this is good. Okay, and bevel. Mm, I like it like this. Control D. Let's duplicate. But this one look like it's doing something like yuck with the eye. Okay, we're gonna make another cube. Let's bring it to the front of the object. Okay, so now right here, I think this should be smaller. This too. think this is good. Okay, and then bevel. But also, you know what? I forgot to delete the faces right here and delete. Um, let let's do something. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop tool. Number 4, go the front view. All right, and then vertex. Press B. Okay, and hold V and drag or to manipulate the area. Yep, something like this. And in this case, no, it has to be a, you know what? Let me move this. I think it's math. No, the one is fine. But this one, okay, like this. Okay, so we need another one. Control D. We're just gonna manipulate it different here. So let's change it. Yeah, I have the eyebrow like that way. So yeah, so this is pretty much the robot. And just one little thing, I don't like what it has on top of the head. Let me see if I can do it different. Um, so before, let's go to edit mesh. I mean mesh tool, insert edge loop tool, and let's add to edge to the object. And something that I was thinking about it is something happened. I haven't saved since I start, so I hope nothing happened. Remember, always Control S, extrude. Let's do this, and let's add a bevel. I want it smaller, like this. Okay. Have something on the face like this, and all the details that I don't sure that I want to add. You know, I like it more without this little thing, right? Or what do you think? Okay, so I think I don't like it that way without this. Or maybe if I do it the opposite and it got inside instead of outside. Let me see. Uh, no, but it could be, but I'm not sure. I like it this way. This is fine. I don't need this. I'm gonna leave it like that. So our last thing that we're gonna do to finish is to delete the bottom. Okay. Okay, with this here. And now go to face. It's too big. Actually, the whole thing is pretty big, and I want this higher. So let's put a one. Mm, okay, I think this is good. Okay, okay, okay. I think we're done. Um, so basically, this is like the robot. Um, what I gonna do to show you how. Um, so mouth is pretty much like this. So he talks. I guess he moved like this or something. I don't know. Uh, so I like it. I like it, even though like I didn't have a reference image uh for the whole object. I had only a front render. I think it's looking good, and whatever I couldn't see, I figured it out, and I think it's okay. I don't know if you guys can give me your opinion, but I want to do something before I leave to move this Control D, and I want to put it here. Let me see if it's okay, if it looks good or no. This is it's not like I know everything when I'm creating. Usually, no, I never. Most of the time, I don't know what I'm, but I do know what I'm doing. But even though I make mistakes and um I have to go back and then trying to figure it out. Okay, no, this way no, and this way yeah, I can do it. I don't know. So let's move this one here. You know, like my whole life when I was watching the tutorials from other creators, in my mind was like, wow, like how does he know like how to do it, how to create it? But yeah, like basically, yeah, but at the same time you make mistakes, you go back, you repeat it, or not a mistake, or maybe you just don't like how it looks, so it's like, no, 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 I'm gonna do it again. It happens. It also happened in industry. I don't know if you know about the movie, this blue the blue character, I think it was called Sonic. So the main character, they made, it was terrible. It wasn't even like similar with the cartoon and like the video game, and they had to make the whole thing again. Actually, they basically finished almost the whole movie, and at the end when they show it, people didn't like it, and they were like, okay, so we had to start over again. Okay, so is that, or just you just don't do anything, and it's like, okay, people just not gonna like it. So it's about what people's likes, and at the end, that but if it doesn't look good, you have to do it again. That's it. It's a nice little robot. I gonna add some materials. I'm gonna do a render, and then you'll see how it look at the end. But for now, this is it. I hope you like it. I've been here for a while already. Thank you so much for staying with me, and well, I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you. I don't know if I'm coming tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure coming more often this week. Okay, well, thank you so much, and